po mga guys, isang magandang morning. It's 22 past 8 in the UK. Kada drop off ka lang sa aking first lady. Yan, mamaya naman mag-walk kami para healthy lifestyle naman. Kailangan ng walking guys. Lagi na lang nakasakay eh. Lapit. So far, update tayo sa sa weather. It's another sunny day and it's 20 degrees at this time. 22 past 8 like what I said earlier. Fantastic weather again this week and next week. So hopefully makapag-barbecue tayo this afternoon kahit konti lang. Makapag-paint rin. Ceiling ang painting natin ngayon. So quick drive tayo, enjoy, relax and chill lang tayo. Welcome to the city of Stoke-on-Trent, Royal Hospital. Yan, you know. Galing. Paunahin natin si Lola. Si Lolo pala, sorry. I thought he's a Lola. Ganda ng ganitong weather guys, sana all. Kaya lang UK to eh. Quick and short video lang tayo. Yan. Ang sexy naman ni Ineng. Naka short. Summer na talaga. Jaguar oh. Wow. Galing. Mga pang salad master yan, Jaguar na yan eh. Pag naka Jaguar ka, kailangan distributor ka daw ng daw lang naman. Dito sa UK. Kailangan distributor ka raw ng ng salad master. Yan. Joke lang po yun, joke. Shout out to everyone, mega love, shout out to everyone. Binitin tayo ni Lolo, pasok sana tayo. Yan, pray. Let's get it. Come on, Dudum, let's go. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating video this morning. Have a blessed day everyone. God bless po and praise God sa weather na to. Galing.